Hey everyone struggling with dark, grainy photos. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance a low light photos with Meta's Edits AI. Let's get started. First, launch the Meta AI app on your device. Then here on the left side of the screen, tap the plus icon to begin. And choose the low light image that you want to enhance from your gallery. And here in the prompt box, tell the Meta's Edits exactly what you want like this example prompt here. And you can be specific and detailed about your prompt and let the AI process. Wait a few seconds while Meta edits improve lighting, removes grain, and sharpens the details. And check if the brightness and clarity meet your preference. You can refine your prompt if needed. And download the enhanced photo or share it directly to your social media platforms. And that's it. Even your darkest photos can shine. Just type your request and watch your low light pictures transform in seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.